First up in public testimony is Michael Rice. Mr. Rice, please proceed with your testimony.
Chair and members of the committee, my name is Michael Rice with the Roman numeral 2 for the board and for the record. I own Yeti Game Repairs here in Anchorage, Alaska, and I am the head technician of Video Game Depot. From a repair standpoint, most failures we see are board level issues, power failures, HDMI damage, storage corruption, etc. One of the main reasons why we are in extreme support of House Bill 162 is because this kind of stuff is not limited by technical ability in 100%. It is usually access to things like schematics, diagnostic tools, parts, and pairing systems. A lot of the times these can be fixable, and we consistently see a major cost gap in the repair market that helps push this in favor with Alaskans. Things that could easily be restored and historically have been restored or able to come back with this kind of House bill. So for that, we strongly recommend keeping it as it stands. A lot of opposition will try to wiggle things in there about how it may harm things. These things are not as uncommon as it's believed. Anything in the wrong hands could be used inappropriately, and with these in the correct hands, many independent repair companies will push value towards consumer rights and the ability to give consumers their options more than anything. So with that, we really do appreciate this opportunity to testify with you guys, and we hope to see House Bill 162 voted in favor with all of our legislation moving forward. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir, for being here. Next